This short video will introduce some key details to look for when applying for jobs online through Indeed.ca. Let's look at our first job posting for local public eatery. You'll notice it says Apply Now at the top. First, read through the job posting and look for any specific instructions on applying. If you don't find any, you can click Apply Now, and you'll be asked to enter your name, your email address, your phone number, and upload a resume file. You can also click Message to the employer to include a brief one-paragraph cover letter. We strongly recommend doing this unless the job posting specifically says to send a cover letter, in which case there should be another button somewhere down here that says Attach Additional Documents. Here's an example. Dear hiring manager, having enjoyed a few evenings as a customer at Local, I am excited to work at an eatery whose team works hard to provide an amazing guest experience. I'm applying for your part-time server position. And then I might also mention 2 to 3 skills about why I think I'm a great match for the job. I look forward to speaking with them, and sign off my cover letter. And then I could click Continue, and there may be additional questions that are part of the application which I would need to respond to. So that's one example of a job posting you might see on Indeed.ca. Now another kind may be for bigger corporations or businesses, where the link will actually say Apply on Company website. When you click this, you'll go to the business itself, and you'll likely be filling out an online job application, as well as uploading a resume and cover letter. Here's a third job posting for Chi Restaurant. When we scan through this job posting, we notice that it does give some specific instructions here about how to apply by emailing your resume with references and availability. So this is a rare case where they are asking for our references within the resume when we apply for the job, as well as our availability. In this case, we would want to make sure that our resume includes our references, and we could mention our availability in the cover letter email or as well in the resume. One last note is that applicants with an employee name referral in their cover letter, something like, Joey mentioned this opportunity to me. These kinds of applicants have a 30% success rate at making it to the interview round, compared to 2% of all online applicants without a referral name. So do think about ways you could network with a business that you particularly want to work for. Thanks for watching this Learning Center video on applying online for jobs at Indeed.ca.